All hell, all hell. Hey, you next. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Yeah. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Let's get ready to rumble. Yes. Yes. Let's get it on. So what you want now? So what you want now? So what you want now? All they see is black venom in my silhouette. Just watch the fear reappear in their eyes when I hit the set. Oh no, Tupac with Team Tyson seldom was seldom seen. I might cut his head like a guillotine. Time for some action. You making me high like Tony Braxton, Buster Spencer like Dennis Rodman. We still mashing. I put my hand up to God like this heart filled with stress. Throwing blows in this square circle to see who's best. Mike don't hurt him. What they scream? Wait, what they mean? Tyson put him on his head, touch the whole Coliseum. Better act up when I see him. We loud in the front row, hype up the crowd. And if you don't like it, what you come for? All hell, 245 to fail the bed stop. Ass kick and split the water like a shark's tail. Still struggling. May God help me bubble, hit the ring, do my thing. All the posts feel trouble. Get it on. This is how we ride, not knowing if we live or die. Catch me rolling with my motherfucking guns on my side. In case of drama, I'm the first to break mine till they all die. This is how we ride, not knowing if we live or die. Catch me rolling with my motherfucking guns on my side. In case of drama, I'm the first to break mine until they all die. Outlaw. Round two. Right, left, then left, right, I seen him stutter. What? He didn't duck and got stuck with your uppercut. Now hear the crowd screaming, it's like they feeding. Oh, don't you love how that black man swing? We keep it real, tell Holyfield he next in line. So get his heart problem checked before he step to mine and Selvin. A heart to know